game, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Where the waves at? You better be spinning, because I'm about to come crazy. Okay. Oh. Dude really said how to get waves for light skins. Come on, man. Ain't no how to get waves for light skins. It depends on your hair texture. You got medium hair. That's why I look like that. Sounds like a you problem, because I can definitely not relate to that. I be going hard in my brush sessions. New to TikTok, I'm here to drown it. Drown it. Woo! Look at that silkiness, boy. That junk silky. Yo, looking at this, bro, makes me want to go even harder when I'm critiquing y'all waves, man. I got older dudes asking me how to get waves. I got older dudes doing wave checks with a bunch of forks on their head. Looking at this makes me not want to have any filter when I'm critiquing y'all waves, man. Because if a little kid could do it, you know how many wolf sessions he had to go through to get his waves like that? Hold up. What you doing? This a wave check? I see you rocking that 2-6 King Wavy, you feel me? Hey man, go cop y'all 2-6 King Wavies. Link in my freaking bio, you dig? Go cop that right now. If you weren't 2-6 King Wavy, man, you gotta be spinning. Oh my D's, that junk. It look like Poppy blasted a little bit. I don't know why. I love the stitching on that do-rag. Woo! Sheesh, I could tell he wolf a lot, man. Definition, his waves are wide. Nice. But he got a couple of forks, though. He still got to work on those. He's spinning, though, man. That's tough.
Yo, did you not know that I was the Gordon Ramsay of waves? You donut. If you want to see my waves, go check out my Instagram and go check out my YouTube. Both of those are linked in my, what you call it? Like, you know what I'm talking about. Go check them out. Alright, stop talking about.
Got the wave check. Let me move my head shit. Okay. Great definition. Work on your crown. And that fork up top. And you're gonna be good.
Alright, this is curls to wave in 60 seconds. So
curls to waves in 60 seconds.
Wet your hair.
Man, she got mad here. Alright. All I really want to see is just the results. Because I just want to see how. I mean, I already see the curls.
Right,
okay.
Step 2.
So I know she's gonna get waves.
And just put it all in your hair. Alright, step 3. Get a brush. And just brush it down.
There you go. See, she's brushing it back, because imagine she goes to the front. That's just going to be all over her face.
Alright, now just keep brushing for like a few minutes.
I just want to see the results, man. Let me see them results.
You'll be. Alright, so after
I hope she don't say life for part 2. Because y'all know I hate that. I be so ready to see the results.
Just put it on.
At least she got a silky, but she got the wrong brand, though.
Alright, after you got
I don't know what brand that is.
wash the shampoo out of your hair with
Oh, yeah. This about to be lit. This about to be lit.
I'm gonna wait a few hours and come back with the results.
Oh, I thought she said life for part 2. Oh man, I'm disappointed. I thought it was gonna be better. Waves or curls? Of course, waves. Stick to the waves. Let me see. Of course, that's Brownie Blends. He know what he doing. So I'm feel me? I ain't gonna say too much. Whoa, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? Nah. You doing the wrong. Nah. Bring them waves back. You bugging. Oh boy. Man, curls are trash, man. Where's this wave shot? Lay them Jones down. What y'all got? I got wavy, man. That's super wavy. What y'all got? Try to do waves.
Hey Caleb, how are you such a wave guy?
A wave guy? Where you see the waves at?
Say this works on all types of hair.
Man, get out of here. What kind of brush you using, man?
If you got curly hair, you might need that. Yeah.
No cap, bruh.
You need to go out there and get yourself a baby.
Nah, don't do that, guys. You don't need to do all that.
Here, this is the crucial step. Okay,
This is not the crucial step, Jacob.
You take your baby comb, turn it to the side.
No, Jacob. Yo, get your...
Right.
You so focused too, man, and you doing
Now
nonsense.
You spinning.
Nah. Wait, check. You better be spinning, boy. Oh man, that's a long wolf right there. I'll probably say that's probably like 13 weeks, probably 14. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be a hassle to try to lay all that down, buddy. I hope you know how to. I mean, you probably do, but I want to see you lay that down. Tag me in the video when you laying that down. Waves are just laid down curls, alright? The longer the curls, the deeper the waves. Great example.
How they get waves with long hair? Absolutely not. That's not enough love. That's really your hair there. No, you gotta put in more work than that, buddy. Man, go to sleep.
How to tie a scarf? Like a do-rag. That's a big, old scarf, man. Oh, so it's basically like I tie my do-rag.
Like this, and then
Don't tell me you about to tie it up in the back like a real do-rag and stuff.
Boom. So your habits also one side shorter than the other. I'm gonna start with the longer side. All I do, I just twist it.
I'm trying to understand what he's saying.
I can't run. The reason why I use the longer side is because when you wrap it run all the way, you want to hold it so you can do that. So
Alright.
I'm almost done wrap. I'm going to shut them with tie that one in.
What?
Time to watch this. I always put it to the side so.
Okay. Oh, that's light, man. I might start this. This might be a trend. I might start doing this. I need to buy me a scarf first, though.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna be Louis Vuitton. What is this? Oh, that's DeVille Perry. You already know what's about to happen right now. About to flood this bruh. Look at that shine, that silkiness, the connections. Washing style.